Alright, so I'm sitting here watching some YouTube, right? And I know I should start doing some YouTube again because my stats up here ain't looking too good. So I have like 2 views in the past 48 hours and 36.2 hours on my YouTube channel. I need to do much better. So I looked down on my GoPro sticker here and I said, let me grab my GoPro to start making some videos again. I know my GoPro is somewhere here under the bed, so I know I keep my GoPro in a box here under the bed. I look in the GoPro, box. There's no GoPro. So I look here at the side of my son's crib and I see my GoPro just sitting here lonely. So I took it up and I tried to power it on, but the battery was too dead to turn on. So I'm gonna charge my GoPro right now and I need to start making some videos. Alright, so I have switched over to my GoPro. The battery is now charged. I decided to come out here, just to tell you guys what's up. For my current subscribers and people who have just found my YouTube channel, thank you very much for stopping by and checking my video out. Just came out here just to see the little bit of sunset that's going down. I missed it, but anyways, that's not what you're here to see, right? You're here to basically see me. And I must apologize for not making a video for the past 6 months. It has been like 6 months since I last updated or uploaded a video to my YouTube channel, but man, I have been so busy. There's like so much things that I need to take care of, so much things that I have accomplished as well, for being off YouTube as well for so long. I have a blog, as you know, and I have other websites that I do take care of. And if you know about blogging, it takes a lot of time. Also, being a stay-at-home dad for now also takes a lot of time with my 1-year-old. He's so full of energy, and it drains my energy taking care of him. And even though it's like a fun process, I'm not complaining or anything like that. I still need to set some time aside just to take care of other things like my YouTube channel, vlogging, making videos, making content. But I did create a new YouTube channel in which I'm gonna be making smart home videos, in which I'll be discussing things that you can use on your house to make your house into a smart home. For now, I'm just gonna, continue the grind on YouTube. I have been like on YouTube since 4 years now. I made my first video or uploaded my first video 4 years ago, and I think I need to do better where that is concerned. Because guess what? I've been watching YouTubers, right? And YouTubers have been on YouTube for like 1 year and they have like over 50K subs. Like, dang. I've been on YouTube for 4 years and I haven't done much. I need to like do better with my YouTube channel. So starting from now, I'll be making videos on a regular basis. Look out for a video each week. So all you gotta do is, drop a sub on my YouTube channel, hit that bell notification, and definitely I'll be making some videos every single week. I'm not gonna say every single day. I wish I was able to make a video every single day. Okay, some plane passing above messing up my audio, but hopefully you can hear me. But anyways, I'll be making a video every single week, so you can definitely look out for a video every single week. And I think I'm gonna post a video every single weekend on a Saturday or Sunday. After that, I'll be uploading a video like twice weekly. Then I'll see how well I'll do with that schedule, and then I'll take it from there. So if you're still watching my video up to this time frame, I want to thank you for sticking around. Thank you very much for being a sub. If you're just coming here to my YouTube channel, please sub, and I'll definitely keep you entertained. Oh, for my smart home video channel, I'll be leaving a link in the description, so you can click on the link in the description, subscribe to that um, YouTube channel, and I'll definitely keep you entertained as well, and educated as you know, where it regards to making your home a smart home. So thank you for watching, and peace. This poor little fellow seemed to have got its leg like twisted or broken or something like that. I hope it will be okay though.